delicious chicken thighs in a red curry sauce. It's a 14 ingredient recipe. I'm giving you this. We will cook this recipe in under 35 to 40 minutes, and it's going to be a very easy and full of flavor recipe. 2 pounds of chicken thigh with the skin on. I have rinsed it. It's all separate. It's all clean. They are just waiting to be cooked. Magic ingredients, okay? This is what we have to do. I'll be keep telling you what to put, when to put, how to put, right? Stainless steel pan on the stove. It's on a high flame. I'm adding at least 12 tablespoons. I'm using olive oil. You'll grab medium size onion and add this right here in your blender juicer. You know, we will make a smoothie out of it. These are fresh cloves of garlic, at least 6 to 7 fresh cloves. Chopped ginger, I would say 2 tablespoons goes in here. Okay, add some water in here, and onion, ginger and garlic, and 1 cup of water. We'll saute this, right? Slightly cooked, at least for 6-7 minutes on a high flame. So as you guys can see, we have sauteed our onion, ginger and garlic. All right guys, these are our 6 thighs, 2 pounds. So here you go. They go in here. Just spread them, and we will stir fry now these guys at least for another 5 to 6 minutes until they change the color. Once the thighs are stir fried for 5 minutes, look at this. This is how it should look. Just a slight golden touch to it. All the secret. We will, for the curry, right? Beautiful curry. We will add half tablespoon of turmeric, 1 whole tablespoon of the chili powder, green cardamom, at least half tablespoon goes in here. This is crushed cumin, or you can use cumin powder in here. I'll add 1 whole tablespoon in here. The black pepper, crushed one, half tablespoon. This is clove powder, half tablespoon. And at the last, guys, look at this. This is cinnamon powder, half tablespoon. Salt to taste, or you can do 1 tablespoon. Let's give this a mix. It is so aromatic. Yes, sir. Just give it a rough mix right now, so all these dry ingredients get a little bit of roast touch to it. They get fried. Now you guys can see the curry forming up, right? Keep mixing. So all the ingredients, they get to know each other, you know, they get to know each other. Just go by the ingredients. I'll put all the ingredients in the description box, and it will be easy for you just to follow. It's been 5 minutes more, so all together it's been 15 minutes. Look at this, guys. I'm using tomato paste. Add this in here. Let me give you the quantity. It's 150 grams of tomato paste, 1 cup of regular water. Again, we will give it a mix. Look at this, red curry is forming up with all the flavors. So easily done, huh? You can see the thickness of the sauce. Beautiful, right? This is what we need. Now you can put your stoves onto medium. Cover this with the lid, medium to low flame, okay? And cook this for at least 20 minutes. Put it on to low flame. It will be much easier for you to, you know, if you forget about for 20 minutes, you come back and it's burned. No, put it on low flame and check back on it after 20 minutes. Five minutes later, guys, we have our beautiful chicken thigh curry is ready. Look at this. Look at this sauce. Once you cover cook this, you know, it gets the steam, it gets all the heat all the way deep inside. Normally it's a timely based cooking. I just want to show you. This is the room temperature going on, and let's go in the thigh. It should reach above 165. It's considered to be cooked. Thai chicken curry right here. Look at this thick sauce. Grab your rice or Grab just your fork, you'll be happy. You can use rosemary in here as well. That's how it looks. Moment of truth, guys. Let's taste test our beautiful skin on chicken thighs. Oh my god, fresh food, man. It's always the best, and home cook, it's wonderful. Check this, it has the sauce. Perfect. Dip it, get it. This is the best ever tasting curry sauce. Let's go. This is hot bite. Let's go. Red meat is always delicious, right? Some brown rice, right? Some sauce. It's the best ever meal. It cost me around, guys, $15 to $20 altogether with everything. Wonderful. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I'm Umair. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye for now. Okay, the thigh, man.